Naga mayoral candidate Leni Robredo cast her vote at around 2 p.m. today at the Naga City Science High School. Actually, it was a smooth process. Lahat ng mga presinto dito sa Naga, smooth sailing naman yung naging pagboto. Of course, aside dun sa mga usual issues na na-encounter sa ibang lugar, ganun din yung naramdaman dito sa Naga. Like for example, nagja-jam yung paper or yung ink, tumatagos siya dun sa likod ng some of the ballot, resulting to overvoting. So nagiging ganun din yung naging resulta kanina. Pero so far, dun sa presinto kung saan bumoto, si former Vice President Leni Robredo, maayos, smooth sailing naman yung boto. Actually, yung maganda doon sa presinto kanina is meron talagang holding area para sa mga tao na hindi pa turn nila bumoto. So para din maiwasan siguro yung mapilat sila sa araw. So of course, kanina nung dumating si former Vice President Leni Robredo, she was accompanied by her daughter, Jillian Robredo. Sa pagdating nila, diretso siya. So inaalok actually si Leni Robredo na mauna na sa pagboto para hindi na siya pumila. Pero she opted to go doon sa end nung line. So smooth yung process. Siguro it took her like less than an hour to finally cast her vote. So during the sidelines, while waiting for her to vote, I was able to speak to Robredo. Sinabi niya na yun nga, yung very quick lang yun kasi moving talaga yung line. So I asked her kasi ano yung vision niya for Naga. So she gave me a super short answer, like 15-second answer. Sabi niya, yung commitment niya daw to maximize good governance and transparency, a legacy that her late husband, Jesse Robredo, left behind sa Naga. So aside from that, sabi niya, papatlakasin niya daw yung people participation. Actually, meron siyang nabanggit kanina na parang succession ng leadership. So meron na daw silang tinetrain dito ng mga bata na nakikita nila ng leadership skills sa Naga para daw may continuity sa mga projects nila. So she wasn't able to thoroughly discuss kung ano yung mga projects na iniisip niya for Naga. But 3 sectors yung sinabi niya, education, health, and social services. So sa tatlong daw yon iikot yung kanyang leadership sa Naga. So pre-election surveys actually have predicted Robredo to win by a landslide dito sa Naga. So 80 to 90% voter preference yung nakukuha niya sa mga pre-election surveys in the past weeks leading up to the election.